Good day, everyone. Welcome to my channels, Make IT Possible. All right, thank you for watching, guys. So today is my fifth episode. I'm going to share with you guys is why you need a web hostings for your website. All right, I believe some of you have a website and you have been paying yearly renewal for your website. That renewal mainly is for the server web hosting. All right, and why you need that. Okay, so the reason being is when you have a website, all right, someone develop a website for you. Okay, so that is just programming the website. Okay, and once you want to put it online, okay, you need a server. Okay, the server that connected to the internet, and it will actually propagate to the whole world, that everyone can see your website through the internet. Okay, so a web hosting works together with a domain's name. So you need a domain's name, then only you can actually have a web hosting. So it's tied up together. Okay, it's just like you have a company name, then you need a space to operate. So maybe you rent an office or whatsoever. So renting an office is equivalent to renting a hosting. Okay, mainly you don't own that hosting, you will actually lease. So the fee of web hostings for a basic website usually cost about just a few hundred ringgit per year. Okay, and um, if you do not pay for the renewal, then your website will be suspended or got expired. So uh, one tips I want to share with you about web hosting is, okay, it's not just about hosting your website, but basically you can have your email hosting as well. Okay, so I did mention about hosting a domain's name, then you can actually you own a domain's name, then you actually get the corporate email. For example, the abc.com, then you can have info@abc.com. So this is the email hosting is actually to bundle together with your web hostings. Okay, so just make sure one thing is that when you subscribe to a web hosting, it's come with the email hosting as well. If it doesn't come with the email hosting, then pretty much the hosting would be very cheap. All right, but in the market now, I don't think someone will offer a hostings to you that is without the email hostings. Okay, so another thing that you need to know is when you have the web hostings, do know what is your quota size. For example, what is the space, this space that you have, like 500 gigs, 300 gigs. So this space, what is the usage, is actually to store your email, all right, or your websites. Okay, so a basic websites with a user of less than 5 email user, basically 50 gigs of space is good enough. All right, you don't need a huge space. So that's tips number one. And tips number two is performance. All right, for web hosting, yes, they do have difference on performance. If you want a better performance, you can go for a cloud-based hosting. Okay, so cloud-based hosting, it will have better performance, which means that you serve your website in different location. The response is faster and it's more stable. Stable as in, like, when every time you click on your website, it look as fast as it is, no matter what page you go. Even though people browse your website in different country, it gives the same performance. Okay, and beside that, the consistency. So your website doesn't really down often. Every time the uptime is there. Okay, so having a cloud-based hosting, of course, the fee will be slightly higher. All right, but that's will give you a better performance. Okay, so tips number one is your hosting, does it has the email hosting? Look at that. All right, look at your disk space, how many space you have, how much space you have. So second thing is, if you want a better performance, go for a cloud-based hosting. Okay, you can upgrade your current hosting. The hosting provider will actually assist you. Okay, so Besides that, just want to share with you on how Malaysia works on web hosting. So let's say we Xingrai Technology, we do system developments, we do web developments, we do mobile app developments. Definitely we will provide the hostings to you as well. So basically we would actually advise you to propose you, what are the hosting spec that you need. Okay, so this is our responsible, and to make sure that the cost is being optimized on what you need, and the hostings is able to scale based on your usage. All right, because sometimes you need a higher usage, due to you are running a campaign, so that hosting is capable on doing this. So it's pretty much requires some consultation service from there. Okay, but in Malaysia, yes, all the developers, all the programmers company, we do propose that. Okay, we should propose that. All right, because understand that our potential clients or even our clients that do not know technically what web hosting it is for. So thanks for watching, guys. Before I leave, stay tuned with my upcoming video because I have some free gift, lucky draws, and I'm coming up with a plan for F&B business owner, food and beverage business owner, that you can't resist on, because I'm giving up the percentage is you never thought of, as a preparation for you when the MCO is released. Okay, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, stay calm, stay cool, and stay home. Ciao, guys.